Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. In this video, what we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about YouTube channel customization and also settings. Okay, I made a video the other day. One is to find your niche, your channel niche. The second one is to find your video ideas. Now that you have your channel idea, you found the niche, you have the video ideas, it's time for you to start creating content. But before we get into that, we have to make sure we have a YouTube channel. Okay, do you have your YouTube channel yet? If not, you can create a YouTube channel. It's very easy. There are a lot of videos on YouTube regarding how to create a YouTube channel. But if you want me to make a video regarding that, I can do that. But as of right now, once you have your YouTube channel ready, we're gonna go over some of the stuff based on my own experience. I'm not an expert. If you're ready, we're gonna go to my computer so we can go over the settings and also the channel customization. So guys, this is my YouTube channel. As you can see here, this is on this channel right here. The dashboard, this is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so now that you have your channel, okay, first thing is to customize the channel. So to do that, you scroll down over here, you see what it says customization, you click on that. Okay, so once you click on that, this page will open. This is where you have your banner image and also picture like profile picture, and there are some other stuff. I'm assuming you already have your banner, you have your profile. If you don't like it, there is a button here to remove it or change it. And then if you scroll down a little bit, we have the YouTube channel name. Mine is USA Month Agency, just because we assist small business owners or individual, anyone who wanna start a YouTube channel, become a YouTuber. We help them. That's why we have that name, USA Month Agency. Anything content creation related, video, YouTube content creation related. Okay, and then we have our handle. We have at usamontagency.com. So depending on your YouTube channel, you will have that handle as well. So from here, if you scroll down a little bit, right here I didn't add anything about pronouns. I don't use that. The descriptions right here. So for the description, don't think too hard. As long as you have a YouTube channel or niche, just go to ChatGPT or any AI or like DeepSeek or whatever, and tell them that okay, your YouTube channel name is da. This is what you're thinking about doing on that channel. Ask the AI to give you a description, a good description related to that YouTube channel, and you have that. You go through it, change what you have to change, and then put it there, and you can change it at any time. Okay. And then from here, the language, you can add a language here. I didn't add a language, but you can add if it's on. You click on this right here. You see the original language. You can choose either English or whatever. I didn't choose anything. I can just put it here right now. Put that English, and there's something here I want to do now. So you choose English, and then translation language, if there's something like that, you do that. But I'm just gonna leave mine like this. Okay, I will cancel this one. I don't really need it. And then we have links. If you have a website, before the link, we have the channel URL. Okay, when somebody click on this, we go straight to the channel. You have that. If you have other links like your website, you put it here. Well, our website is usamoagency.com. Right now it's not working because we're doing some work in the back, so it's offline right now. And then contact information, you can put your email. This is our email here. We have that. And then the watermark. Watermark is basically a picture or something that will be on your video. So just for copyright, so people don't steal your videos, or just copy your video and post it on their channel, like that. Okay, so just like something that tells that it's your video, basically the watermark. So you have an option here. You can put at the end of the video, or you can custom start time when the watermark will appear and when it will disappear. Or if you want it on entire video, it's gonna be right here. So mine is I just chose entire video. and you can change it anytime. Okay, so this is the customization area. So when you come to, you see this is the profile. When you click on home tab, there are some options here. Okay, with the home tab, this is where you know choose your channel trailer. Basically that little video that play for when people open your website for the, I mean, no website, your channel come to your website. When people come to your channel for the first time, okay, they will see there. Some people don't choose on any trailer, but some people do. So to do that, you just click on the add session, and then over here you see what it say. What is that again? Channel trailer on top right here. You click on it, and then you choose whatever video you want to use as a channel trailer. Okay, and then over here there are some options here. This is for you when you click on more settings. So basically it tells you like what you include in the for you session. So this for you session will be only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. Okay, so you can choose video, short, or live stream. And then here some people choose recent content only. That way YouTube will promote their recent video every time they have a new video, or all content, all content recommended. That's what I choose. It's up to you what you want. Okay, then click on done. Then from here we have a playlist. A playlist is very important. That will allow people to keep watching your videos. Once they watch one video, another video will come. Another video will come. Then it's good. So you have your channel playlist. To create that, it's easy. You click on that button here, add session, and then from here you click on create playlist. Okay, then what else we have here? So basically what I do on my channel, nothing much. And then from here, if you want to go to your channel, you have an option here to click on view channel. So you click on view channel, you will see that my trailer will play. This is the trailer that I use. Okay, this right here, this is the one that I choose. It will play right away. And then you click here, you have all those videos that you upload on your channel. You got that there. So there's not much you can do over here. Okay, the playlist, you click on playlist, you see whatever playlist you create, you will see those. Okay, so now let's close this. Let's go back here. Now that you customize your channel, you can go to settings and do more settings. Okay, so to do that, you come over here, you scroll down a little bit, you see where it says settings, you click on settings. So when you click on settings, this page will open. Over here, it depends on your currency, you choose, or you just click on the drop down arrow here, down arrow, and you choose your currency. And then for channel, you click on channel, and you have different keyword related to your channel. So mine are this right here, but you can change anytime. I will update mine regularly as well. Okay, and then country of residency, you choose United States. This is the United States. That's where I live. That's where I upload my content. If you're in France or in Africa, like in Nigeria, Ghana, or I don't know, Egypt or whatever, or Brazil, you choose your country. There is advanced settings. You click on that. Over here, this is where you choose if the channel is for kids or not. You choose what is good for your channel. Okay, and then here Google account links, I don't have that yet. And then what else we have here? We have automatic caption, I don't have there. Advertisement, allow viewers to clip my content. Well, they can clip my content, use it. If you deselect this option, viewers will not be able to clip your content, and existing clips of your content will be disabled. Selecting this option again will enable existing clips of your content. So I choose that, but it's up to you. And then there are more other settings here. Manage your YouTube account, or remove on YouTube content and stuff like that. You can click on it to do those. But now we can go to features here. Features basically, YouTube unlock more features as your channel grows. For right now, since I only have few subscribers, that's all I have. And then from there you go to upload default. Upload default is basically what will upload every time you upload a new video. So mine is my channel description, and then I have this right here. This is what I put a link from previous video, okay, or whatever video I want. I put it there. Excuse me. I have a subscribe link here, and also channel link that I add, and also the tag. I have some tag, and I have my website on Facebook, and the email, all those contact information. Every time I upload a video, it will upload as well. Okay, and then from here we come to permission. Where right here I'm the owner. I have that here. Community moderation. So this is where you choose people. If somebody want to help you, or somebody will help you with your channel, managing your channel, you put their name here. You give them the title, that you want to give them. So if you don't know what they are, just click on this question mark, and it will tell you exactly what those titles are. Okay, and then you come to default. The default is basically if let's say you don't want to hold comment. If anybody comment on your video, it can be posted on your video. Just you don't have to select anything. But here I hold the content and I review it before I decide to publish it. Okay, it's up to you. So, and then from there we come to creator demographics. This is where you take a survey. Basically, I don't have anything here. But if you want, you can select this option. You can modify it, and then the agreement right here. The agreement is basically for terms and service of YouTube channel. You just read through it. You learn more. Click on learn more to read through it. So basically, that's what it is. That's how me personally I customize my YouTube channel, and also I change the settings based on what I want. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this video. Thanks for watching.